everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a fish masala. Here I've taken salmon, about like 4 to 5 pieces, and I'll be showing you some of the spices I'm going to add. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of peri rub, but if you don't have it, then you can use fish masala. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic. Here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add the spices and mix them very well. Here I'm using whole milk natural yogurt, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of it. And the masala I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to apply it on both sides. So do that for every single piece. So here we've applied the masala on both sides. I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes in the fridge, and then after that we're going to put in the frying pan. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you didn't subscribe it, then subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!